Welcome to another episode of Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. Today we're going to do something a little different. Today we're going to go and get my wife some candy for Valentine's Day and make her a basket. So let's go. Now we're going to head to the car wash and get the car washed. She looks pretty bad because of all the snow and everything, so we're going to get her clean. So let's go. Okay, these are some of the things we bought for this project. And these are some of her favorite candies. So let's build a basket. Well, that's it for today. Please like and subscribe if this is the type of thing that you like. We have a lot of mods that are coming for the car. I thank you for tuning in for this episode. My wife really enjoyed her candy, and as always, keep cruising with Christ.